How can I make an extra $1,000 a month? You may think that making money online takes a lot of effort, but it doesn't have to be difficult. There are plenty of opportunities out there that allow anyone to make some extra cash every month. Here are just a few ideas to get started. 1. Sell products on Amazon. Amazon is a popular e-commerce site that allows individuals to sell products directly to customers. To get started, you'll first need to register for an Amazon seller account. Once registered, you can begin listing items for sale. Selling on Amazon is a great side hustle because it's so easy to get started. All you need is a computer, internet connection, and a product to sell. Plus, you can set your prices however much you want. 2. Start a blog. Blogging is another great way to make money online. Many bloggers now blog full-time, turning their blogs into lucrative businesses. While starting a blog takes a lot of work, it can also bring in consistent monthly income. Starting a blog costs nothing and requires little maintenance. However, you'll need to invest some time up front in order to build a large following. But, once you've got a solid base built up, you can continue to grow your audience and make money from advertising revenue. 3. Become a virtual assistant. Are you good with computers? Do you enjoy typing? If you answered yes to both questions, becoming a virtual assistant may be right for you. Companies hire virtual assistants to type letters, schedule appointments, research sales leads, and perform other administrative tasks. Virtual assistants usually sign on to work part-time, meaning they're able to fit their schedules around their family's needs. And since these positions aren't typically full-time, virtual assistants can save money over traditional employees. 4. Create a YouTube channel. YouTube is a fantastic place to share videos and make money from ads. As a result, it's become a popular platform for content creators looking to turn their passions into profits. Creating a YouTube channel is simple and won't require much investment. Just upload videos regularly and promote them on social media. You can also partner with brands to create sponsored videos that will reach an even wider audience. 5. Rent out items. Do you have items sitting around your house that you rarely use? Why not rent them out instead of letting them collect dust? With sites like Airbnb, you can rent out your furniture, home equipment, and more. By renting out your items, you can earn money without having to leave your home. Plus, travelers love being able to stay in local hotels when they visit a city.